Hi guys, how you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Independent on where you're watching me from. Is your girl Daisy Desktop. So guys, a girl called me, I think that was 2 days ago. She called and said, Daisy, I need your advice. Daisy, I want you to advise me. She said she had been in a relationship for a while now. She said this the way the relationship is going, she think they are going to get married soon. She said this guy is nice, this guy is a very caring person, this guy is handsome, above all, this guy have money, plenty money. She said the thing is, this guy 2 seconds everywhere don't burst. This one not be joke or forget how they laugh. 2 seconds everywhere don't burst like that, just like that, everywhere don't burst. 2 seconds everywhere don't burst. She said right now she don't know what to do. She don't know what to do because they are going to get married soon next. Okay, so wasn't that the speaker? They speak English. No, I don't want to speak English. What English help? So now I can tell this babe, say relax, chill, take a chill pill. Why you don't tell this guy, say see wetin dey happen, you know dey enjoy am. 2 seconds, come on now guys, 2 seconds no be anything. Let's tell ourselves the truth. 2 seconds no be anything. 2 seconds everywhere don burst, no be anything now. He say he tell the guy, say no, make we find solution, let's find solution, let's make we find solution. He say the guy say how dare you, how dare you tell me. Say because the guy say no, you no fit tell am because he don date a lot of girls. He don date many girls. Nobody don ever complain say na 2 seconds na him take dey come. Why e come be say na you come dey complain now? You understand? So she say she don tell the guy, she don do everything wey be say she go fit do. The guy na person wey be say once he don say na you understand? You know those kind guys now wey be say dem feel say too much money for their aza, too much money dey their aza. So if you talk to them, most of them, no be all of them o, if you talk to them, most of them dem no dey hear. Na that thing wey dey their mind na dey take dey do something. You understand? Now I tell this babe, say anything wey make you enter this relationship, babes, may we tell ourselves the truth. Anything wey make you enter this relationship, you go dey go at, you go dey cheat on this guy, you go dey flirt around, you dey look for green guy wey be say e dey last long. You understand? Now I come say, and that kind one mean I no want am, because once you don marry, you don marry, stay there. Whether you dey manage your marriage or you dey manage your marriage, stay your marriage. You understand? Once you don marry, stay there. And if you don marry, you can't go dey flirt at me, I no dey that one. You understand? So now I come say, this matter be, e don strong. The matter don strong. Now I come promise the girl, say babes, relax, take a chill pill. I dey ministry. For this ministry, when I dey so, I'll carry this matter come give them. I carry the matter come give them. Make them help me check the matter. Make them tell me their own advice. Make them advise me, make I advise you. You understand? Now I come tell the girls, make she no worry. I go tell my country people then, my umuada women then. I know say a lot of una wey no come from Imo State, una no know wetin be umuada. Umuada na be my fellow women. Yes, up umuada women. Umuada na be my fellow women. Now I tell the babe, say make she relax. I go bring this matter come the ministry when I did. This is our ministry of YouTube, so may I come ask for their opinion. Make I consult my country people. Make I consult my fellow umuada women. Babes, I beg, wetin una think about wetin this babe just explain? So may we tell ourselves the truth. 2 seconds everywhere don't burst. That one not be anything now. This one not be say maybe because I say person too spoil or anything. 2 seconds, wetin be that? Wetin 2 seconds now? Not be something now. 2 seconds, no, that one I not go area. 2 seconds, you all dey start. May we tell ourselves the truth. He say if the guy guy just, if the guy just enter, once he just enter, that guy go start to dey shake, he go start to do like this. 2 seconds, brrr. You understand? So make we tell ourselves the truth, nothing but the truth. The truth is bitter, but it must be told. Yes, no get as you want to do am. We go still talk am as e be. You understand? Now, say make I bring this matter come. I beg my country people, my umuada, my fellow umuada women, make una help me check this matter. Make una leave una comments down below. Make una tell me as e be for una mind, whether make the girl still go ahead for the marriage, or whether anything una think. Una just leave una comments, and I no go take any of una comments for granted. Anything una talk, I go gather all of them together, take advice this our sister. You understand? I go use na take advice this our sister. This thing no be joke, no be joke at all. I go even do live stream put for this matter. Last she go call, una go hear her. So no be joking. I beg mona not take this matter for granted. Mona not take am for joke. This thing no be joke. Na very, very serious issue. It's very serious, very serious matter. Na it be. You understand? So I beg my country people there, my umuada, my fellow umuada women wey dey the house, wey dey the building, I beg make una leave una comment, make una help a sister. I beg, I use God to beg una. So guys, without being said, I want to use this opportunity to thank my whole subscribers for keep coming back, my new subscribers for keep coming back. Guys, I say thank you all so much. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate una well. I know they take una views or una comments or una subscribe. I know they take anyone for granted though. I dey appreciate each and every one. So let me know this opportunity. So say thank una, say I appreciate una. Make una dey watch my videos. Make una dey watch my videos. Make una tell una friend, make tell a friend, make tell the other friend, make one subscribe to my YouTube channel. People wey be say una never subscribe to my YouTube channel, I don't know what una dey wait for. I don't know. That high heels when I want wear before I come subscribe, I dey wait. Mona quick wear the high heels, oh. Make una quick wear the high heels, mona come subscribe, oh, because I dey wait. I still dey wait for una. Make una subscribe. I beg guys, if una subscribe, make una not just click that red button alone. If una click am alone, una not on the notification bell. Guys, una no dey do me any favor. Una no dey help me at all. Una no dey help me. If una click that red button wey una see for there, so una go click the notification bell follow am. Now una go take dey help me. If una click that notification bell, anytime when I say upload amazing video of videos, una go be the very first person to be notified, so that una go dey watch my video. Now like that way, now una go take dey help me. Say una just go click on that red button alone. Guys, una no dey help una girl. Una no dey help una girl. Una must click on the notification bell. Now una go take dey help una get, so that anytime when una get say upload any video of videos, una go dey be the first to be notified. Okay guys, I appreciate all of una so much. I beg, make una not forget say this matter, e dey ground. We never said so on. We never said so. I beg, make una leave una comments. Make una leave una comments. Make I see una comments, so that I go know wetin I wan tell this girl. I go put all una comments together, take advice this our sister. I beg. I use Baba God wey dey up there take beg una, make una help sister, because if this girl be una friend or una sister, shey una go help am. So make una take am like that, say na una friend or na una sister na she be, make we gather help dis girl. Dis thing na very very serious matter, and make una no forget say 2 seconds everywhere don burst. 2 seconds everywhere don burst. So make una help me help dis girl. Peace out, guys.